Are you a small business owner struggling to find new and creative ways to market your business? Do you want to be on the cutting edge of technology but don't know where to start? Well, we have an exciting opportunity for you. What if we told you that you could create a video using an AI photo of yourself that comes alive to tell listeners about your business? This cutting-edge tool will help you save time and streamline your marketing efforts. Instead of spending hours filming and editing a traditional video, you can create a unique and engaging video in minutes. We know that not keeping up with the latest technology can be overwhelming and frustrating. But with this easy-to-use tool, you can create professional-grade videos that will capture your audience's attention and make your business stand out from the competition. By downloading this quick tutorial, you can learn how to create your own AI video and get on your way to being more creative and trendy to your audience. Plus, using this video as part of your marketing strategy can help you overcome common challenges like being camera shy or wanting to stay up to date with the latest marketing trends. So what are you waiting for? Download this tutorial today and start creating stunning videos that will captivate your audience and help your business grow.